Hi, Brandon Lewis here of Embedded Computing Design, and we're here at Sensors Expo 2018, and I'm at the PICMG booth here with Sandy, who's the CTO of PICMG. And one of the things that's really holding back IoT is some lack of interoperability or understanding around data models. Isn't that correct, Doug?
That's correct.
So can you explain a little bit what you're showing here today?
Sure. So at PICMG, we're really focusing on bringing the I into IoT, which is the internet connectivity and all of the IT technologies that come with that. And one of those things that really makes the internet work well together is data models for management and control. And without going into all the details of the data models, what I can tell you here is that we have a CNC machine. It's running 3 microservers. These are 8-bit microcontrollers, each with an Ethernet link. And they're each presenting a data model for the servo motor that they're connected to. And by using simple IT programming languages, this demo is programmed in Java, but you could use Python or C#, whatever you're comfortable with for your IT programming, to interact with those data models to make the motors move.
So when I think of PICMG, I usually think of embedded hardware standards. What's the play here for PICMG?
So there certainly is some hardware technology that we'll be rolling out as part of our IoT push. One of them is a postage stamp form factor, which would enable a sensor vendor today that doesn't have an intelligent controller to easily create a smart sensor. But PICMG, many people don't know, has also had software technologies at least since the 2000s, where we developed platform management software that leveraged IPMI for our advanced TCA platform.
Remember that fondly. Well, we're here at Sensors Expo 2018, and if you have an opportunity to stop by the San Jose Convention Center, come and stop by the PICMG booth, which is 1642 in the main expo hall. Thanks, see you soon.